video I will be explaining you how to create certificate template using Google Slides. Generally, when you are using Google Forms to generate certificates, you are going to use Google Docs or Google Slides to choose the certificate template. So in those situations, you require Google Slides. So let us see the procedure. So first, enter the URL of slides, slides.google.com. Enter. So this is the home page of Google Slides. Now select a blank slide. Okay. So now I want to create a certificate template. We close these themes. So before that, let me show you few certificate templates. I mean the background template. So this is one of the certificate template, and this is second, and this is one more. So like this, you will be having different templates, certificate templates. You can have these kind of certificate templates also. These are so much professional, and you require Photoshop to do these kind of certificate templates. But you can do the same certificate templates with the help of Google Slides also, but you need more patience and you need to spend more time. But for simple certificate template generation, the Google Slide is best choice. So let us go back to this page. So now the first step is go to File and select Page Setup. So first we need to give the dimensions of the certificate template. Select Custom Template. Here you can give 11.67 and 8.27, 11.69 and 8.27. These are the dimensions for A4 landscape mode. A4 landscape mode. So this is the changed dimensions of slide. So now the first step is, the procedure is always you can use this shape options. So from these shapes only you can design variety of certificate templates. I'm going to consider this one, frame version. So select frame. I'm drawing a frame like this. So now let me keep it in center. So how to keep it in center? When you are moving this whatever the inserted frame, you will be getting some red lines. Those lines will be giving you the alignment. So if you want to keep this frame in middle, in center, okay, so this is the point you need to remove. Okay, once again I am repeating, whenever you are holding this frame and moving here and there, then these red color lines will appear. Those lines will help you to give the alignment of this frame. So where to place that you can know with the help of this red lines. See, now it is exactly showing the middle. So now I am releasing this. This is one way, and other way is simply select this frame and go to these three dots, more option, select format option, and here position option is there. You select position, under this select center and give X and Y as 0, 0. Okay, so in this way also you can put the frame in center. Not only frame, any image. Yeah, once again I am repeating, select this, go to more, format option, position, make this center coordinates as 0, 0. Automatically it will come in center. So next I want to increase the size, the borders. See, when you are moving to the borders, automatically it is giving the direction. Okay. So next point is I want to reduce the width of this frame. For that you can select this diamond symbol or an yellow color or yellow color symbol. So this is what increasing and if you are moving left side, it is decreasing. So I want this frame size. Okay, so now I want to change the frame color. So here is the option, frame color. So you can fill it with any color as per your wish. So let me go with this cyan. Now once again I am repeating, you can go with any color. Okay, so let me go with this dark yellow. Okay, or you can go with dark red, or you can go with dark blue. Okay, so after selecting this, so your frame is ready, outer frame is ready, and you can do more changes to this. Here this is the option of border color. In fact, this frame is having one border, and that is black color. You can remove this border, select transparent. If I am selecting transparent means there is no background. Now again you select this frame, go to this format options. So let us do more design. So you can use this drop shadow if you want to give any shadow over here, or otherwise you can remove it. Because for this no need of any shadows, but for other images you can use this option. Okay, so this is the first step we have done. I mean first frame. Next we can use other shape. Go to shapes. So I want to use this shape, half frame. Select this half frame. So you can place like this. Now you can decrease the width. You have two sides. For two sides you have two controls to reduce the width, and this is the size of entire frame. Okay, so let me place here. Okay, so now I want to make this equal to so now you select again, change the width equal to the width of the outer frame. So almost it is same now. Okay, so now you can choose any other color, or if you want to keep this same color you can keep the same color, but I want to change it to some orange color. Okay, same thing, I want this kind of frame to the all the corners. So just select that frame and go to more options, format, and in this you can see the size and rotation. In this, select this flip horizontally. If you select this, automatically it is flipping. But before that, let me make a copy of it. Let me Control Z. I want to make a copy of this. So for that you can use shortcuts Control C and Control V. Control C, Control V. The moment when I click Control V, automatically it is pasted. Otherwise you can use this right option and copy and paste. I am using shortcuts. So now for this you make this settings, click and move this frame to this corner. Similarly, I want two more frames for these two corners. Control C, Control V. Now I am selecting this flip vertically. Okay. Then you move this frame down the side. Next again you select this frame, Control C, Control V, and select vertical. And keep it in the down corner. Okay. So as you are seeing, this is one of the frame. If you want this frame, you can use this frame, but you can do more like this. You can select, you can move like this. Okay, I am using arrows here to move. Now similarly I can move directly with the help of mouse also, but if you are using the arrows, you will get accuracy. When you practice, you will come to know what is this movement and everything. Next, it's always better to use these arrows. so that you will get the accuracy. The alignment will be good if you are using arrows. Okay, so this is one kind of frame. If you want to reduce the size also, you can reduce the size simply like this. Like this you can reduce the size also. So now this is the one of the frame, but you can do more. I will explain you how to do more with this Google Slides. But once you are done with your layout, generally if you want to write text over here like your college logo and signatures, before that you just select all these frames by clicking Ctrl A. See, here I am clicking Ctrl A. When I click Ctrl A, so everything is selected. Now Ctrl X. Ctrl X means cut. Ctrl X. Then go to View, Master. Select the master slide, the first slide, and Ctrl V. Now I am clicking Ctrl V. Ctrl V. Okay. Now close this. So now you cannot edit this. Okay. So this is in the background. This is in the background, like how you did in general PowerPoint presentation master slide. The same way you can use this. Okay, because when you are creating your certificate, the other things like including text and images and everything, then if you are keeping these particular frames in the slide itself, so sometimes they will be moving here and there, so that will be very disturbance to you. So for that reason, this whatever the template you want to use, after confirmation, after your satisfaction, you just cut all the frames and go to this view option and go to master, and in that master slide you select the first master slide and paste here. Then you close this. Automatically now this will be in the background. If you create new slide also, so always this is the background. Okay, so now next thing is I want to explain how to insert a image. How to insert image. So select this option, upload from computer. So I'm selecting this banner like certificate thing. Now I want to keep this in center, but before that let me reduce the size. Okay, so this is the size. As I said, you have two options to keep this image in middle. Like this you can choose, or simply wherever the image is, you just select that image and go to format and select the position. Under center you keep the coordinates x and y as 0, 0. Automatically the image will be in center. The image will be moved into center. Now I want to use this image for as a watermark, as a background image. For that you can do first go to this format option. Under this you select these adjustments and you increase the transparency, so that it will be appearing like a background image. So okay, so like this you can use. But here also one problem is there. When you are creating the other the certificate details, when you are writing the text and other things, again it will be selected, it might be selected, and you will be getting disturbance. So for that reason also you just select this Control X. So every time using the shortcut keys, so let me show here once. So I am doing this process. Cut is nothing but Control X. So I am using direct Control X. Cut and go to View and Master, and here select the master slide. Don't forget this. Select the master slide and right click, paste. You need not to change the position. Just paste. Okay. Close this. See, now this is also in the background. So now you can simply work on the extra things of your certificate simply. Okay, so let me go back the master slide. Let me select the master slide. Let me remove this. Okay, let it be here. Let me remove this and let me select this. I am using Control A option. That means I am selecting everything which is in master slide. Control X and going back to, this is not required, just I'm trying to create other layout. For that reason I'm taking the frames back, control V. So now I don't need this text boxes, remove. Okay. So now if you have this frame, you can do other things also. Let me show you. So you can keep like this, okay, not completely in the frame and somewhat middle of the frame like this. You can make. So for accuracy, use try to use the arrows. So like this you can keep the other design also. Okay, so here's got one more design. So whatever you want you can do with the general Google Slides. For basic the background design of certificates,